are going to be playing the Animal Hospital on Roblox. So this game has it's been blowing up, and I played this and it's really fun, so I'm going to try it out again with y'all, my little cutie viewers, my little besties, and hopefully you enjoy the video. So let's go on and join the game because I already know it's going to be really good because I already played it and I saw people play it. So yeah, let's see. It's gonna take a little bit to load. Alright, it's loading. I'm joining the server. Alright, we have joined the Animal Hospital. I'm really excited. Oh, bruh. Holy Lord, y'all. Hold on, I forgot I have this glitch. It's not. It's Oli, why is invite friends on my... I am not... Of freaking course, my battery's about to... Bro, I swear to Jesus, like, why won't it click? Y'all, I'm so bad at this. I'm good at the game, it's just I always, like, leave because I'm bored. Like, right there, that's fine. Alright, let's go ahead and join some servers. We can, I guess, join by ourselves because I want to try it out on ourselves. So let's start. Do this thing, do this thing. Do this thing, do this thing. Editor, add some little music that's really about to come up. Okay, that might be a little too much, but let's go. Ooh, I haven't played this in like 2 days and a half. So. Alright, ooh, we got our first patient. Let's see. Mika Kim. That's a weird name. I have an appointment. Hello. Okay, thank you, Roblox. Dang, it always does that, y'all. I'm so sorry. Alright. We're gonna stamp you. Let's see. Okay, let's make sure you are not an anomaly. Alright, you're not an anomaly, so that's good to know. Let's print your badge. So when I was playing this today, so there was like 3 people. They were like, there was one person being rude. She took the coffee and kept on taking my patient. She killed my patient. I know, it's crazy. Some people are just rude, but don't worry about them if they're being rude. Just tell someone, just to make sure. But okay, let's get back right into the... Oh, thank you for opening the door for me. That was really kind of you, definitely. Even though maybe you're an anomaly. There's not going to be an anomaly on the first shift because you don't have the cameras. So, we already know what she's going to need, or he, by chance. She's going to need this. I already know because I played the first round. Herbs. Alright, the first patient is done. Let's go see if there's... Okay, there is a unicorn. I guess I'll take you in. Alright, let's see. I guess he's normal, or she, because we don't know if it's a she or a he. It's rather the name or not, because I don't know. Her name is Maggie. Maggie something. Maggie Kombu. Room 2. That's nice. It's perfect because I just did room 1. Okay, where are you at? Okay, come here. You need to come with me. It's a vibe. It's a feeling. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. This is gonna be a fun video, guys. Let's see. I think they're gonna need maybe eye drops, I'm gonna say. Yep, I knew it. I don't know how smart I am, but I did not know. I was just gonna say eye drops because I already probably knew, but I didn't know actually. I just read the thing. I'm like, oh, okay. Oh shoot, the doctor is arriving. Whatever. Now this is where he's gonna fix the shutters. The shutters. We're gonna pop out. Money pretty innocent, we're gonna pop out. Why is that closed? Hello? That's kind of weird. Is there any anomalies and they're killing people? Some advice if these things get strange, just keep working. Why should we keep on working, Mr. Harlow? Or should I say anomaly? Maybe you're not anomaly. Maybe you are. Let me close and open them because that's what we're supposed to do. Alright, 0 anomalies. That's good. We have 3. That's an anomaly. That's an anomaly. Oh no. Sorry guys, I hit the wrong. Can I close that? Oh, he don't do that. That's wrong. I forgot. Hold on, I'll serve you later. Can I not get the coffee? I'm gonna give him coffee. Why do you have to do that so early? Boy, you just canceled my coffee. Are you gonna get a concussion? There. Calm down. Be a good person. And that's an anomaly. No service, because you're an anomaly. I'm sorry, but you're an anomaly. You're fine, I guess. Let me check. Because you could be... Money in the city. Hello, why? Hello, can I? Thank you. Heck nah. Heck no's. Heck no. You're a anomaly. Yep. Definitely an anomaly. I can tell because I looked at the cameras. Me. Another anomaly. What is going on? I already had so many anomalies. Hello? Good thing I'm not even service. No serving them. Okay, that's not an anomaly. Is that an anomaly, guys? I think the face, people say that's not an anomaly face. Lil Sprouts, that's pretty. I mean, maybe. Can I just look at the cams? Money in the city, we're gonna pop out. It won't even let me do the cams. Okay, thank you. What is going on with the cams? Hello. There's so many. Why is there anomaly? Wait. There's patients in the room? No. 3 check-ins. I guess it's finally a not anomaly. I swear, if this is just a bug server, alright, you're good. Finally a good patient for once. Whew, y'all. Y'all saw how many anomalies there were, bro? That's not normal. Hello. That's not normal at all. Okay, here you go, miss. Now let's go in room 1. I'm gonna say they're gonna need herbs or eye drops. Herbs and eye drops together, because that room That room was eye drops and this room was herbs, so I think it's gonna be herbs and eye drops. So it might be. I don't know. I forgot what the third round is. I think it's together after that, cause wait, can we open this? I heard some stuff about Rafu. Okay, no. But I think it's like some room. I'm gonna say, is it? You have the flu? You have the flu? Hex to the nah. You have the flu more, bro. I did not know he had the flu now. Or she. I think I would say that's a she. If that's not, I don't know what to call you. I swear, if there's a freaking anomaly. My baby Rafu! My Rafu baby boy! Rafu, I love you. Please don't leave. He's always gonna be innocent. He's a good boy. He's innocent. Don't mind it. I just need to look at him again. I can walk. Holy freak. But Rafu, you're such a cutie pie. Like even Lana can say that. Like she can say that because she loves Rafu too. Room 2, okay. Anything for you, Rafu. Wait, is that opened? Still closed? Darn. Darn, I mean. I said Darren. More like dairy. Sorry. Can we open this? Oh, it's in one of these rooms. I know. And it like, Rafi, are you okay? You better not have any stomachache or flu, because I can help you with that, because I'm the right doctor. Paying money in the city in a pump out. I'm just trying to stay me. That's a little crazy. If y'all think I have ADHD, I don't. Medicate. You have a stomach ache and bruises. Who's been beating you up, Rafu? Wait, is it his sister that's attacking him? Ooh, some theory? Some theory. Maybe his sister's been beating him up or attacking him. Right, guys? Because there'd be a theory of them. Because then who would put bruises on him? That's kind of mean. You're fine, Rafu. I got you. Oh, please be an anomaly. Wait, why is the eyes black? Hold on, boy or girl. Dang. Wait, patient. I'm good. Hex to the 9. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? He literally had his tongue out. Ew. Disgusting. I'm gonna check the cameras one more time for this person. I think you're fine. Let's see. Good. Let me check the cams one more time, because what happens if he's like anomaly? Like, what happens? He's breathing hard, or she. But, whatever. I'll let it slide if she's not no anomaly. Rafa. These are some awkward cat names, or dog animal names, like. Ooh, that's a new room. Maybe after room 5 we'll unlock 8. Or we have to beat the whole entire room in here and then is this the room? Wait, what does this mean? I already tried to rip one off and I think I remember it's like money where you rob something. It looks like, yeah, this is where Rafu. I don't know what's in there though. I don't really. I think I know, but I don't. I'm not gonna spoil the tea. That's gonna be bad. Why should I spoil the tea, bro? That's so bad, bro. Don't forget to like and subscribe too, because what are y'all doing? Then y'all won't be like a baddie. You won't be like... Alright, low shirt. He has... There we go. Femo... Ivy drops, I'm pretty sure. Wait, I don't think. Oh, isn't. Okay, so I need to remember maple syrup. It's maple syrup, not. Let me throw this out, y'all. I'm stuck. Hello. Alright. Got that now. Here you go, miss. Cause some of them can start like a ritual, and that scares me a little. This is where he unlocks that part, I think. Doctor, please don't arrive yet. I'm home. I did it. I think this is where he unlocks where you can buy stuff. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Is this shop? Ooh, they only have like, I want a taser. I need like a wait. Is this where he unlocks the taser, or it's the next one? Wait. This is where he gets the taser, I think. A bar? I don't want that. I'm gonna get this. A bar is yummy. Ooh, I'll give you coffee. Is there coffee? Perfect. We got some coffee for you. There you go. Ew, why'd you say it like that? That's weird when he says, like, I remember this. Like, that's really weird. Wait, I'm stuck. Okay, there's no one to check in. Is that our end of the shift? Check in patients. Oh, I need to check in 5 more patients. Or this might be my end of my shift, and then tomorrow after. Alright, now. You look really kind of weird. Let me check you. I don't really know if you're an anomaly or not. I'll pass. Like, I don't know. I guess wait, let me look again. I need to be double sure. He's not an anomaly, no. He's not an anomaly, he's fine. I'll say he's a he, because the name's a little, why are these animal names so awkward or something? Like, they're very awkward, like, I don't know what. Room 2 is perfect, because it's open. So I served Rafu, and it was like room, I think 7 or 6. I don't know, but it was like 6 or 7. I don't know, but like, there was like a patient in there, and they were done. And then Rafi didn't even go in, like, it didn't even go into bed. Like, that was weird. It was like a glitch, and then he went away. Or he was still there, I don't know. But like, he was gone. Alright. Flu. But I really kind of forgot what he needs. Wait, I'm not even looking at the screen right now. I'm blocking the screen. Wait, is it that or this? I don't remember. Hold on, let me think what I had last time that I had the flu. So rescue the other person. Oh, I think it's cough drops. Isn't it? Isn't it cough drops, guys? I'll try. I'll see. Cause I don't know. Ooh, I got it correct. I didn't know it was that anyway. I didn't even look at the screen. I let Jimly like block the screen with my hand, y'all. I'm serious. Matthew, don't leave. I'm so sorry. I am freaking sorry. I'm serving you right now. I'm so super. Okay, Rafi's perfect. I don't even need to look at any cameras. Like, oh my god, I didn't even know Rafi was here. I was just talking about him. too. Raphael, you're so cute. Bro, where is... Oh, it's unlocked. That's good. Room 2. Just the room I just went in. Raphael, can you please pick room 8 so I can do surgery? Well, no, that would kind of freak me out because I can kill him and I don't want to kill him. Because look how tiny and cute bunny he looks. He looks really cute, y'all. Y'all don't know how much I... There's no one here, dummy. Raphael MacArthur. Raphael, sit. Raphael, this is what I was talking about. There's no one in here, and he just wants to cry. Should I kill him, y'all? Raphael, why you not? You can stay in here and leave. I don't care, because if you're not going to sit down like you're supposed to. Is that anomaly? I'm going to check just in case, because I don't trust. Safe. Okay. Fine, I guess. Guys, I don't know if they're anomaly or not. Alright. Please. That's good. I guess this is the one that's nice, I guess. I could have served anomaly. Why is the lights flickering? Come on, green boy. Green guy. You ain't gotta touch. Alright, let's see. Oh, shoot. Green, blue, blue, green. Okay. Green, blue, blue. Lock in green. Oh, I did it. Whew, I thought that was not even the end. This is the end. Show your bones. Collect. Bleeding stomach ache. Alright, let's go see. I swear, if that stalker comes up to me, I'll crash the freak out. I'm so scared, y'all. Alright. I'm pretty sure it said bandages because it was bleeding, and then stomach ache, I think it said right here. Alright, I got it. Bruh, this stalker, which is Raphael's sister, scares me, like, really badly. Okay. Complete 50 pre- Oh, thank you! I did my quest. Oh, please help me. Can there just be anomaly already? I just want to see an anomaly again. I don't know why I missed anomalies. Okay, this is innocent. Very innocent. I should not say very because I don't know yet. I need 3 more patients, then my shift is done and I'll be ready for the next one. Freak. I was legitimately thinking about that. I'm freaking out. Don't look up, dummy. Open the freaking door, please. Hello? Whoo, that scared the chicken wings out of me. I should have drank that coffee, bro. I was legitimately thinking about them fainting, and then it happened. I'm so dumb. Dried eyes, bruises, flu. Ow. Dried eyes, bruises, What happens if they have a bruise? I think it's this. Bruises. That's bleeding. It's this. Then a flu. That. Hopefully I got this correctly. Wait, did I? What? It ain't no Why would it be Medicaid? That's so stinky or stupid. Like, what? Hold on, y'all. Let me throw this out or something. Alright, got it. Bro, I don't even want to look at the stalker. Oh, I have to do it in order. Darn it, I have to do it in order. This is the... Why is there no anomalies? Why you spam talking? Stop spam talking, I'm coming. I'm so bad, bro, at this game, bro. I did not mean to kill the patient. I think I have to do them in order. Because if I don't, they... Oof. Roommate! Oh no, I'm going to stress out. This is the room that's really crazy. And they have a countdown until death. I am not even, you have to look, don't look up either. I'm a struggle. Come on, bunny head, deer head, whatever, looking on. Oh, you're in here? You got this. Don't stress, don't stress. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. I'm really scared. What am I speaking gibberish right now? Nene. For real? Don't look up. Scissors! You have 20 until you're deaf, bro. Medikit. This. Alright. 1. No. Messed up. 1. Ah! Right into... It wasn't incorrect, bro. That's so cheating. No, this game's legitimately messing up my thing. I did that whole entire thing correctly, bro. This game is hacking, bro. This game is annoying. Feeling. Is this an anomaly? Please tell me. Oh my god, I hate. Should I serve them? I'm not gonna even serve them. Like, I don't. No, that's gonna mess it up, though. I guess I'll just serve them. Alright. Guess you are not again? Are you chicken wing? I'm throwing you in the trash. I am throwing you in the trash. Bye. Oh, you're an anomaly, bro. I swear to gosh. If you're not an anomaly, you're lucky. It's a vibe. It's a bit. Bro, I swear. Be an anomaly for one. I don't want to serve these regular people. I feel like it's not animal hospital. It's animal property. Like animals. Like animal, not anomaly. Like animal, no anomalies found. Like Please. Please don't say the all number, bro. I hate that number. My favorite number is 9. I don't know why. That rhymed. That rhymed again. I'm rhyming. It's a vibe, it's a feeling when you go bump and skip and now. Do now. Do now. Oh, that scared me. I thought I did something. Blue, blue, pink, yellow, green. Blue, pink, yellow, green. I think I did it. Okay. I don't trust if they're normal or not. It's a vibe, it's a feeling when you popping out. I'm squeezing. Do it. Beaver bleeding stomach ache. Alright. I know what to do. I think I do. I don't want to say that because I... Fever. So like this. This. And what else? Oh! I did it! I didn't know I can do that. First try 2. Oh, do I give it to... Oh, I forgot. Do it. And then... Bam, I don't want to mess it up. Are they a normal? Oh, the stinky doctor is about to give us the taser for the anomalies. I'm actually glad because I actually need the taser. Let me go ahead and grab a coffee. Off. Ooh, that's not good. Ooh, we have to use the photos and cameras usually. Oh, taser, thank you, I love you. Critical? What does that mean? Horrible? Well, my bad. But that's an anomaly. That's gotta be blue. I don't think they're an anomaly. All these people I'm checking is like really safe. Like I don't want them to pass out now. No. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the taser. Cause it's a vibe, it's a feeling. Oh, I forgot to give it to you. Guys, like and subscribe or comment if I'm good at this game. I prefer you to like and subscribe because that's really sweet. Wait, should I upgrade this? Sure. Wait, how much is that? Okay, I could have, maybe. I could not have got that. Wait, what room are you? Wait, which room are you at? Oh, 4. Me forgot, sorry. Don't look up, I just saw them. Ew. It's a vibe, it's a feeling, and a feeling. I am not looking up, okay? Stop warning me. Fever, dried eyes, rash. Okay. So fever's gonna have this. Dried eyes, I think. And rash. I think it's this. Wait, is it? Wait, I forgot, y'all. I forgot. Wait, is rash this? I think it is. Hold up. I did it. Let's go. I did not know I'm this good at the game, actually. I thought I was really bad, but I'm just guessing on the stuff, honestly. Why you keep on warning me, don't look up? I'm not looking up. Anomaly. Perfect. As I planned. Now you better go away. Ew, 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 ew. I thought he just ate me for a second. That scared me. Ew. Finally, we got an anomaly. Oh, Charlie Paws is a better name. Let me make sure you are a patient, because I don't think you're safe. Because what the doctor said. I don't. I know, I'm tired of waiting in doctor's appointment, waiting on anomalies. That's what I'm tired of. When this thing, just let it go. Feeling the heartbeat, just let it go. Do it, 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 do it now. I got room. Oh no. I'm scared. This could be a bad or not bad. I don't know if this is an anomaly or I didn't see anything, like no like twisting their heads, breaking their heads, no looking like stretching their bodies, like no looking their face backwards, no like nothing. They looked fine. So, when this thing, I'm gonna put you to sleep. Jesus Christ. I'm scared. Where's the medicine? Oh shoot, wait, it's happening now? Chicken wing. Okay, is this it? Is this it? Okay, yes it is. Meat. Or transplant, whatever, meat. Bruh, she's gonna die! She's dead. She's dead. I'm sorry. I'm losing you. Bye. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed me playing Animal Hospital on Roblox. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.